All right, y'all, this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? Now let's quickly get into the specs of what I have on today. So today I have on a Sensational unit, and this is part of their Curls, Kinks, and Co collection. And I have on the style 13x6 Kinky body wave, and this is 18 inches, and I have this in the color 1B. Honestly, this is so gorgeous. I'm about to do my maternity pictures, and I just wanted something that was very voluminous, and this is literally chef's kiss. Now, when you get this unit, it does come pre-plucked. I did go ahead and pluck it again because I do have a widow's peak, and I wanted it to look more natural. Now with this unit, it is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit can also be worn glueless as well. Now this unit is supposed to mimic the curl types of 3B and 4C hair. It has a natural kinky texture of a black woman's hair, and I really do like that because I wanted something to have a thickness of my hair, and this is literally just perfect. Overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I don't really have anything negative to say. Now, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.